Hey Pooh! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing well. If it's your first time to this channel, my name is Gary, aka the Plastic Boy. I'm from London, for anyone that wants to know. And if you're returning, hey Pooh, what's going on? We in the car, we ride slow, we doing things at the bro. Okay, so today's video is all gonna be about the dewy trend, how makeup has changed, and some new products that I just wanted to show for you guys. So if you want to see what's going on and what's pop locking and dropping, oh, did I spit? Keep on watching. Okay, so we all know makeup has changed, especially this year. I feel like everyone's, really focusing on TikTok, the whole concealer trends, and I feel like that whole video's gone viral, the whole 2016 one, where the 2016 makeup that way. I actually really want to do a video on that, but it's another story. And everyone's doing, I feel like everyone's really liking that fresh, dewy, light. The makeup, it's just changed, honey. But I feel like I've still got oily skin, but I also still like my skin to have a glow because I've kind of adapted to it as well, because I don't feel like I wear as much heavy coverage foundations anymore. But child, we still gotta keep those oils at bay. Makeup Evolution actually sent me some of their new collection. We've got some super dewy stuff, we've got some hydrating sprays, we've got some serums. So let's just try them out, guys. Okay, so we're gonna do brows last. Oh, I can get this weird feeling, but when I touch anything that's glass and my nails scrape the bottle, really gives me a really funny feeling. So this is the Revolution Super Dewy Skin Elixir. So we're gonna try this. I've actually tried this before, well, a few days ago, and it's kind of similar. It's basically a dupe for the Future Dew by Glossier. So if you've been saving your coin and you want a dupe, definitely get that. See how this gives my skin a really nice sheen, but the bottle,
gross.
Also, if you're wondering why I'm wearing this, it's because, not if it's wearing my hair, but I don't know, I've been feeling like, oh, I really want to go on holiday. And the last time I wore this, I was on holiday. And when I wear it, this reminds me of such good times. This is what's good about certain things. They remind you about certain good times. But anyway, I'm going to use the Revolution Blurring Balm, which looks like this. Ooh, is this dewy as well? Ooh, no, this is like a pore blurring. So I'm guessing this is kind of like a toucher. Super soft, feels cute, and I'm guessing this is super unaffordable. If I keep looking there, it's because I've got a mirror. Also, how cute are these earrings? So I got these from Jennifer Fisher. I'm not gonna lie, they were a bit pricey, but these were such a cute gift, and I love them so flipping much. They're just such a vibe. You guys know I love a hoop. So I'm trying to pick, okay, foundation. Do I want to color correct before though? Let's not. Okay, so this is new from Kat Von D. Everyone's been loving that dewy kind of skin. I actually used an Instagram live the other day. This is the Good Apple Self-Reflecting Foundation. I wonder why it's called a Good Apple. Maybe it's because it's got apples in it, because I did drink that drink on Sip and Slay, which they sent me. I'm not gonna lie, the colors are a tiny bit weird. So that's a bit too dark, and I think one of them was a bit grey on me. Maybe I need other shades, but I think I'm gonna try 82. Oh, I can't remember if it was cute or not. Let's try it. Oh, it's a bit dark, but it's fine. It's a really good coverage, but have you guys adapted your routine? Again, this tutorial is going to be very natural. I'm definitely going to do, I really want to do a video on lashes and stuff, and like my own, and how to apply them, because I feel like I've just not mastered them, because I feel like sometimes I can apply them good, sometimes I cannot, but I just feel like I definitely want to do a dedicated video just to how you can apply them a bit easier, especially when you have curly lashes. We're going to do eyebrows last as well. I'm not sure if I said that, but this foundation is super nice. The only thing is I've been trying out so many foundations yet. I'm really loving them, but it's really different to trying your foundation at home and then going around with it towards and going out in the day and like living your life. And I think because I haven't really been going anywhere, I've been loving more of a dewy foundation because I like the way it looks there and then. But I do feel like for some foundations that I've been trying, would I still like them if I was actually running errands, going to meetings? Would they still uphold? Who's emailing me? Wow, okay, so this is super red. I definitely need I like the consistency of it, and it definitely gives more of like, I don't know, it's very dewy. It doesn't feel like grease or anything. And does it transfer? I would say this would definitely transfer, so you definitely need to set it, but it is cute. Definitely gonna go in with a concealer. I've been loving the NARS one. I feel like look, I'm almost finished that, but I need to get a new one actually, but I just love it because it kind of balances everything out. But yes, I was saying everyone's doing that concealer trick, and I do love doing that trick, but sometimes I do it and I feel like, child, it ain't covering up anything. But I am loving this trend of a lighter makeup. I feel like because of the pandemic, it's just where's everyone really going? Even though I'm loving doing really creative looks at the moment, like loads of colors, but just different things that I'm used to because it's actually taking me out of my comfort zone. But I feel like for the everyday person that doesn't obviously wear a lot of makeup and just wants, you know, a cute little base and just to feel beautiful and pretty, I feel like a nice foundation and a concealer and powder and maybe also a bit of blush is just gonna like set you right. You know what I mean? No one really needs to be doing triple cut creases, 3 stacks of lashes, 3 liners, a glitter liner, a nude lip gloss with also a double stack gloss. That was shocking. But also again, so it depends on the individual. If you want to do that, you want to do that. I love doing that because it just makes you feel nice. But again, do what suits you and do what makes you happy. Well, close, you can see my brain, you can see my brain. Okay, so we're gonna try a concealer. This is by Bare Minerals, and this is me using Bare Minerals. I know, I don't think I've ever used Bare Minerals on this channel before. And this is the liquid mineral concealer. This is in the shade Dark 5W. I'm not sure if this is gonna be able to highlight me though, because it's giving me very, let's see. Oh, this is actually a really nice color actually. I would definitely need to go a bit darker though. I mean lighter, just to give me that kind of highlighted feel. But so far, it's actually a really nice color, but I would definitely need a bit more brightness. But if you don't like a bright under eye and you're around my skin tone, this would be a perfect golden undertone for like highlighting and stuff. I'm actually dying, I'm so sorry guys. Honestly, my manager asked me to send her a headshot, yeah. So I sent her a headshot, but you know, sometimes we have little nudes in the photo category. A favorite, you know, nudes and the headshots. Why did I almost actually thought I sent my manager a nude? I was actually about to end this blood clot video on screen because listen, it would have been a wrap in this bitch, but I'm gonna use my Katie Jane Hughes Spectrum brush to just blend this out. It's concealer's nice. Obviously, with this concealer trick, it's better to go up because this eye watch is really annoying me. It's better to go up because it's really gonna lift the face, and this is that kind of TikTok trick people are doing. Such a cute trick. You can see how it's lifted the face, but obviously we're gonna blend that out with our foundation again. Guys, can we actually take a moment for this concealer and how gorgeous it is? Like, it's so beautiful. Like, it's actually like the perfect natural. You know what, I would leave it here, but child, you know me, the extra me, I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Forever concealer. This is in the matte velvet formula, and I'm just gonna put a little bit because this is 5.1. again, this is my favorite concealer at the moment. It dries so quickly and it just gives me that va 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 boom, baby, va 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 boom.
There, said it. We all survived, didn't we?
I was thinking about doing a live tip and slay on Friday. Let me guys know if you'd be up for that. So we're gonna set that. I'm gonna use my LYS powder. Some of the products are new in this video, some of them are not. I'm gonna use my Smith 103 brush. This is actually a new brush, which I think is just perfect for powder. These brushes are 50% goat hair and 50% synthetic, and they just pack out almighty punch. See, we're just setting that, but we still want to keep our cheeks and stuff dewy because we're going to be applying some amazing, I haven't tried these actually. If you guys haven't noticed, the whole trend now is cream blushes. You know, everyone's been doing cream and liquid blushes for ages, but I think the trend now is like a dewy blush. So, you know, Colourpop just came out with some, which I do have as well, but I'm going to be using the Revolution ones today. So everyone's just loving a really dewy blush. I love a liquid or cream blush, but for me, it definitely needs to be set. Like, child, we are about to have a wet cheek. Like, I love the look, but it's just not practical for every day, if you know what I mean. Okay, for brows, I'm gonna use 2 brow pens, which you guys know I love. These are Glossier Brow Flake. Glossier actually had a 50% off sale, so if you guys didn't get that, then I'm not sure for you. I'm gonna use brown first. I actually never do my brows on camera, but you need to shape these so much. I'm going in with the black one. I'm really annoyed because that brown one's are running out. Ugh. Yeah, so you just want to flick up. This is one of the trends that have definitely become more popular. Everyone's releasing brow pens, and before it was mainly just Glossier. Who else? Line Crime did one, and who else did a brow pen? Anastasia did one before, but she didn't really. She actually re-released hers last year. Okay, so for a bit of more extra definition, I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty powder in Kunafa, which is my favorite. And obviously, because we've done our eyebrows, you can actually take some of that powder and literally just flick the front, because this is kind of like a full pigmented powder, so it's going to give you that kind of, you know, ombre kind of effect. Because sometimes the brow flick in black can be a bit too harsh. So I'm literally just going over the brows just so it's not too crazy. Other than that, looks, I'm actually really loving that Bare Minerals concealer. I actually use it under my brows and it makes the most perfect brow highlight. I'm actually kind of shook. Okay, Bare Minerals, okay. Okay, for contour, I'm literally gonna take a bit of concealer, which is the Hourglass Vanish. I'm literally just gonna buff that on because I feel like no one really does the stripe thing anymore. Even though I do, I just feel like there's no rules in makeup, but it's just I feel like application techniques have just changed. So taking that on there and taking up to my cheekbone and blending this out. This concealer is actually amazing. I wish that actually, I'm not sure what shades come in there, but I do feel like Hourglass need to definitely come through with more shades, especially in the powders, because child can't really do some on the forehead because of my scarf, but you know the vibe.
He can't make me purr, can't make that pussy.
Okay, we're gonna use some of the cream blushes now. So these are the Makeup Revolution's Super Dewy Blushers. So I'm trying to think, oh my god, I didn't use the Marc Jacobs concealer. Oh well. So we have, what are these colors called? There's no shade names, is there? Oh, You Got Me Blushing. Take the Flush. Should I use something really pink? This looks crazy. Should I use this one? It's giving me spring vibe, but this looks a bit crazy. A part of me is gonna go for this one. A bit, okay, let's narrow it down to these two because I definitely want something. Should I do the pink? This is kind of like a slutty pink, but this is kind of like a cute coral. Slutty pink, cute coral. Slutty pink, cute coral. Let's do the slutty pink.
Okay.
Because I don't really do pinks that much, but this is the first time. Okay, let's try it. Ooh, that looks crazy. Let's not lie, it looks crazy. It actually doesn't look that bright on. It's actually really pretty. It's actually not even that, it's actually dewy, but it's not greasy, which I thought it was gonna be a bit oily, because you know sometimes when you hear dewy, you can very get blurred in between the lines of oily, but wow, that is stunning. I have been loving this blush. Like, can we just take a moment? It's actually really beautiful. It's like a nice hint of pink. I'm really interested to try the other colors now. And look on the hand, it looks like a bubblegum pink, but on the skin, it's definitely giving me a vibe. So I really want to set it, but I'm trying to think. I don't really have, actually, do I have any pink blush to set it with? I actually don't think I do, but I really want to try Sweet Brown, but this is kind of orangey, but let's see what it does anyway. Ooh. Honestly, I've been just loving the Marina Beauty blushes. They've just been so flipping cute. I really like that. It's giving me very youthful vibes, very just spring, summer, She by Sheree. So I'm now gonna take this Super Dewy Hydrating Mist from Revolution. It looks like this, and just go to town. Let me see the mist. Ooh, it's got a nice spritz. It smells of something. What's this got in it? Cranberry, that's it. It smells like cranberry. I was like,
what is that smell?
but it's actually really nice. I literally just realized I didn't put any bronzer on.
It really isn't my vibe at all.
That's, you know, I'm all over the place today, but it's fine. We move. Makeup never has to be in the right order. I'm thinking, why does my face look so different? Because I haven't got any bronzer on. I'm using the LYS bronzer, which I did use in my other video. I love this bronzer so much. So smoothing and just so, well, this setting spray is very dewy. Wow. Oh, it almost leaves like a sheen. Can you see like there? Oh my god, I'm not sure. Do I like it? It's nice though. Maybe because it doesn't set there yet, but it's definitely giving me a sheen in places that I may not need a sheen. So maybe if you do get that setting spray, definitely don't go to town with it like I did, because it's dewy. Wow, it's, that setting spray is dewy, guys. Okay, now time for highlight. I'm gonna use the Coming to America by Huda Beauty. Love this highlighter. I got to work with them on Instagram for this, but this collection is amazing. I actually watched Coming to America on the weekend. Very interesting. It's funny. I liked it, but there was so many celebrity cameos. I was like, wow. But from when, what's her name? I don't know what her name is. And she sings, hey Google, who sings Midnight Town to Georgia?
Georgia was recorded by Gladys Knight.
That's it. Gladys Knight. Gladys Knight. That's it. And she sang Midtown Road to the Moon. Oh, child. Anyway, but it was a really cute film. Oh, I forgot it's on a mirror. So I'm gonna use this and call it You Glow Girl. I'm actually gonna put some. Ooh, child, that's really pigmented. So no lashes today. I'm gonna go with something super natural. I'm gonna go in with the Benefit Their Real Magnet Mascara. So this is like one of their brand new mascaras that launched maybe about, I think it launched maybe about 3 weeks ago, maybe a month ago. So I'm actually gonna just coat the lashes. This is, I'm not sure what kind of brush this is, but I think it's one of those plastic ones. I don't think I've tried this mascara before, like they're real in general. I normally am a bad girl kind of bang kind of bitch. You know, it does the job. My lashes are really small, so anything that can really transform my lashes, I kind of love. Also, guys, I know it's just so random. You know, the other day I was watching a show about what kids do when they're younger, and something just came to my memory about, like, I remember when I was younger, yeah, and I lived with my nan. I know some of us have done it. I remember actually ringing, I must have been about 8, guys, or at least 7. You know, you ring you know when you ring 999 and you pretend there's a fire, and then the operator calls you back because she knows it's a prank. I remember doing that and thinking, how stupid was I? Like, obviously I wouldn't do that now because I'm a grown adult, but like, when I think about it now, why in the hell would I do that? But I think when you're younger, it's the thrill in it. It's the thrill of just doing something because you know it's bad. But this mascara is definitely doing something, but you know, my lashes are tiny. Okay, I can admit I'm all over the place today. I literally switched mascara, so kind of maybe combine them, and I used the Maybelline Lash Sensational. This mascara is so good. Seeing that I don't have any lashes, but it's giving me just a little moment. It's just so cute, and I feel like my lashes are so baby-like. But I also forgot another step before I applied my mascara. Guys, something's definitely in the air. You'll see on the vlog on Sunday, something is in the blood clot air. Okay, so this has been my highlighting secret. Obviously the Dewy skin is in. This is by Kevyn Auccoin, and this is the, what's it called, skin gloss. This glass glow face, and this product has been out for so long. Kevyn Auccoin has been doing it for the girls ever since. Like, he's done Soft Glam and Whitney, Soft Glam and Naomi, Soft Glam and everyone. So that's what it looks like. The product there, let me blend it out for you. It's kind of iridescent, but it can definitely go on everyone's skin tone. I'm actually taking this milk brush, and what I normally do, I just kind of pat it on the highlight, and it just honestly gives your skin this beautiful kind of glow. You definitely have to like pat it in really carefully. Can you see it just kind of like gives your skin that free effect? I've been loving this product. They do it in a few colors actually. I actually have it in gold and in this color, but I much prefer this color. The gold is really nice, but I think I love this tone even more. Okay, everyone's doing the liner and gloss thing. That is just not for me. You guys know I love my nude lips, but I'm definitely gonna do more of a glossy lip than more than a nude. And I'm gonna use my freshly purchased Colourpop BFF 4. If you guys have not used this liner, please get onto it. They literally just brought it back into stock. If Colourpop was to ever discontinue this liner, listen, I'd have to fly to New York to go to the offices. Okay, KKW Nude 4, 3.5, such a vibe. That rhymed. Oh my god, I should be a rapper. Okay, so guys, this is the finished look. What do you think? Super beautiful, super fresh. Just giving you skin, lashes, lips, everything. I added some beauty marks because I just feel like they're kind of like, I'm not, obviously I didn't invent them, but I just love doing them on me because they just add, look, a little je ne sais quoi. I really like these Makeup Revolution liquid blushes. I think they're super beautiful, super nice, and I really, actually, you know, I'm on the fence about this base. I think it's really nice. I do think I want to try another shade, but I think it looks nice. Nothing's really moved up it, but I do think it's one of those bases that would probably become a bit more oily throughout the day because it is a foundation for normal to dry skin. Well, it is really nice. I think it's super easy to like. It's such an easy compact that I think this is very travel friendly of them bringing a liquid. And I really, what else I like, obviously the Coming to America highlight palette. I do wish I used the gold though, because the rose gold, I didn't realize it's good. It hasn't left a cast, but I feel like the gold will just tied in a bit more. But let me guys know what you think of this look, and let me guys know if you're really into this dewy trend at the moment, if you have changed your makeup due to the pandemic, which is obviously, you know, a point. But let me know in the comment down below, and please let me know what other content you want to see from me. I have so much makeup, but I don't know how to export it out into videos. Please thumbs up the video because I keep forgetting to say that, and please subscribe. Click the subscribe button, do the whole shebang, because you know YouTube has been playing me, and I feel like this year we need to just level up. But thank you guys so much, and I shall see you soon.